the Filipino Global Magazine. Look, Dubai buses spotted with SB19 simula at wakas world tour ads. Dubai commuters are getting a glimpse of Pipap Pride on Wheels as a specially branded bus featuring SB19 simula at wakas. World tour rolls through Route 29, Dubai Mall from September 28 to October 11. The campaign led by Miss Cheryl Timan, DJ Shera, owner of Urban Grid Group, ME and UG. Grabe, in fairness ang bus na ito, aakalain mo na personal mong nakakaharap ang SB19 dahil sa laki ng ads na nakalagay doon ang mukha ng nasabi nga pong grupo. Mula nga sa nasabing artikulo, narito ang kanilang inihayag. Dubai is bracing for another electrifying night of Pipap as SB19 brings their simula at wakas world tour to the Coca-Cola Arena on October 11, 2025. Well, the Filipino group hailed as Trailblazers of Pipap is building momentum ahead of their concert with a striking citywide campaign, especially branded SB19 bus traveling along Route 29 Dubai Mall. Ito po ay iikot from September 28, so nagsimula po yan noong September 28 hanggang October 11 sa kanila nga pong araw ng concert. Fans and city-goers can spot the tour bus adorned with visual of the group and their world tour branding. The project is spearheaded by Miss Cheryl Timan, also known as DJ Sheras, in collaboration with Urban Grid Company or UGG and UGT sa UAE. The campaign gives the city a preview of the artistry and energy that has made SB19 global name. Ayon sa organizer ng nasabi nga pong concert ng SB19 na magaganap sa October 11, 2025 sa Coca-Cola Arena, dinescribe ng organizer na ang concert ay isa sa napakalaking performance na magaganap sa UAE ng nasabi nga pong grupo. At ang fans daw ay mag-expect talaga naman ng unforgettable evening showcasing the music, energy, and unique artistry ng SB19. Ito nga rin daw ang pangatlong performance ng SB19 sa Dubai. Pero ang isang to ang pinakamatindi nga daw dahil ito ay magaganap sa Coca-Cola Arena kung saan ay napakalaki nga nito. Noong 2022, ang grupo ay nag-perform sa Expo 2020 Dubai as part of their WYAT Where You At Tour, one of their first international live showcases that introduced P-pop to a global audience. So grabe nga palang effort ng nasabi nga pong ads ng SB19 na to. Dahil ito nga ay iniikot, kaya naman ito ay makikita agad-agad ng mga locals and Pinoy sa nasabi nga pong lugar. Well, yan po ang ating showbiz snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.